All right, so the CS3 is built, everything is checked out. What is the final step before we send it to a customer?
So the final test is this liquid cooling. So where it goes through rigorous 4-day, 5-day testings. The main part is we are just trying to mini run a same setup what is going to be getting run in the data center. So it's like a mini data center which we are just making sure the testers, the unit wash we built is running to those software profile.
How does water come in? Where does power come in? All that jazz.
So if you see on the top, there is our main cooling line. We have our chiller which is sitting on the outside. That chiller is connected to this cooling line. We are just regulating the temperature, pressure, temperature as how is required to cool down the unit. It takes us through multiple days of rigorous testing, and eventually after cooling, we pass and we ship it.